A sales team aggregates sales results for products on a single spreadsheet. Products A, B, C. There are two salespeople named Peter and Mary. I use LibreOffice to update sales results for all employees. Tools. Share spreadsheet. Share this spreadsheet with other users. OK. You are asked to save the file. I create a new folder on my computer. Create a new folder. New. Folder. Name the newly created folder. Spreadsheet. Spreadsheet. Name the file. Sales. Save. Shared. File is in shared mode. Enter a username to distinguish. Tools. Options. User data. First name. Peter. Last name. Packer. OK. To allow other users to update and edit the spreadsheet, you share the folder you created in the previous step. In this case, I share the folder with Mary. Spreadsheet. Properties. Sharing. Share. Everyone. Add. Everyone. Read and write. Share. Network path. Computer name. Shared folder name. Your folder is shared. Network path. Close. I use a virtual machine as another computer. On the virtual machine, I access the folder that was just shared. This PC. 3 dots. Map network drive. Network path. Computer name. Shared folder name. Spreadsheet. Finish. Sales. This is the sales team spreadsheet. Now Mary updates the sales results. First, Mary enters her name. Tools. Options. User data. First name. Mary. Last name. Jane. Mary. Jane. OK. Splits the computer screen. On the right is Peter. On the left is Mary. I experience how two users share a spreadsheet at the same time. Peter updates sales results for product A. Save. Mary. Save. Your spreadsheet has been updated with changes saved by other users. Mary sees what Peter does with the spreadsheet. Mary in turn updates sales results for product A. 56. Save. Peter. Save. Your spreadsheet has been updated with changes saved by other users. Peter also sees Mary updating sales results on the spreadsheet. So two users are using the same spreadsheet at the same time. This method is very effective when used in a small group or a small organization. Thanks for watching. Very interesting. I continue to experience how it works. So what happens if both users update the same data cell? Peter and Mary enter data in the same cell B6. Mary enters 55. Peter enters 66. A message appears and you are the one who has the right to choose which number is correct. Good luck.